In the spirit of good mood, adventurous, we are doing Timmelsjoch Passo del Rombo today in this lovely weather. It is a little bit dull and grey weather out there, and I checked the weather radar. Heavy rain along the way. I will be wet. So let's pack everything, bring it to the motorbike and get ready and go. That's the way up there towards the Soelden Pass and Passo del Rombo, Timmelsjoch, which I will be just entering shortly. Lovely weather. Don't get distracted by all the fog and mist and everything. It is what it is, but it's not bad weather. Actually, it's not a bad weather. It's still decently fine. I think it will be cold up there, definitely. No doubt about it, but let's go. When I said earlier on, today is more about being here and enjoying the day. This is what I meant. Getting cold and foggy. Tunnel number 5. Into the tunnel again. Oh, I can't see anything. 9 degrees. I bet it will be very cold up there. But who cares? Who freaking cares? So this is the spirit. In the spirit of good mood, adventurous, We are doing Timmelsjoch Passo del Rombo today in this lovely weather. Alright. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah, somewhat. I knew this would be the case, but it's just sometimes important to do it the weather regardless. We're getting up there. The first snow is already showing up. The last. The first snow from the bottom of the pass. I wanted to do some photography here, because whenever I see this nice fog, the photographer in me activates. It's quite a traffic. Of course, it's Saturday. How cool is that? We are doing the Timmelsjoch Pass in mid-June, and it feels like it would be April or May. This is my rules, my day. No one and nothing is going to ruin it for me, because look, it's just a lovely weather. There is not such a thing as a bad weather. Oh, I can't see anything. Okay. I can't believe this. This is amazing. Impressive work, folks. All of you who are working on the cleaning the road and preparing it for the opening. The weather and this year's conditions were anything less than ideal. We all know that. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Photo. Look, snow. Heated grips, full power. And gloves on the heated grips. Oh my god. This still goes. GoPro still goes, okay. Let me then go as well. It's a fine day. Na, 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 na. Come on, 7 degrees. All right. Look at it. Still so much snow. I barely see anything. Is it clearing up a bit, or is it me that my eyes got used to it? I think I'm getting slowly below the clouds now. So of course now the plan is to get down on the Austrian side towards Gurgl, or to Gurgl, and there I will have lunch. Kudos to anyone who's doing it today. Of the clouds into the whatever it is. I don't know what it is. This is lovely. It's a little bit windy, and also it's getting drier out here. And here we go. We paid the toll. The toll is the final thing between me and the lunch. Einfach. Mit Karte bitte. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank, Dankeschön, ciao. It's lovely weather on this side of the mountain. Look at the views. This is wonderful. And it's not chilly at all. Not much snow for skiing. But what would one expect here in June? The glacier, of course, is a different story. So yeah, this is it. Let's go for lunch.